Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome welding videos in the future.
Hi everyone, it's the Metal Chef here, and today we're going to be making a miniature rocket stove with 2-inch square tubing, perforated metal, and 1/2-inch square tubing. So to start, we're going to cut our perforated metal at this white line so that we can stick it right here on our air tube so the ashes fall into the air tube without restricting the airflow. Then we're going to weld it together. You insert 6 here, they burn here, and the flames rise up. And then, once we've got all this part welding done, we're going to weld some 1/2-inch square tubing for feet on the bottom. Let's get to it.
Now we're preparing the metal to be welded. Here I'm welding the perforated metal into the air tube. We sped up these welding videos so that it's a little bit quicker, but basically all we're doing is welding the 3 main parts of the rocket stove together: the feed pipe, the main pipe, and the air tube. Here we're cutting the 2 feet for the rocket stove. Now we're getting the feet welded to the base of the stove so the rocket stove can stand up without wobbling. Now we're cutting the flat rail that we're going to weld on top of the rocket stove that you can put the pans on. We forgot to get footage of welding the flat bar on the top to make the grate, but this is the grate when we are done welding. Using a bench vise and a pipe, we bent this piece of rebar into a handle that we are now attaching to the rocket stove.
We've started the rocket stove, and so we started by putting little wood chips in a piece of paper down the big long top pipe, and then we put the longer sticks through the wood feed pipe, and the fire comes up top. You can put a pan on top of it to boil water for coffee, hot chocolate, all that stuff, and if you need to, you can put a pan on top of it and you can cook food in it. That's the rocket stove for you folks. Metal Chef out.
We're not out just yet. We did add paint, and here's the finished product.